Last video, I told myself I'm not gonna be posting any more videos. I'm done journaling. Not actually journaling, but actually posting videos. And then I realized that I love it. So I'm gonna keep doing it, honestly. Anyways, this is just a pre-market analysis. My analysis for the day, what to expect on non-farm payroll. I'm not gonna post it. I'm just pre-recording this because I wanna see. I'm gonna record this and post the results compiled with the pre-analysis. Yes, that's how I wanted to put it. So I'm gonna post it all at once after non-farm payroll. So yeah, my expectations is the weekly chart. Like I said before, we took out this high, we trade into this weekly CB, weekly BC. Keep saying CB. And then on the daily chart, we have this liquidity void right there, where there are no bodies or wicks. That's my draw inside this weekly BC. On top of that, we have this breaker, ICT breaker. Low, lower low, coupled with a fair value gap. If we're really bullish, would stay inside this weekly BC, but we'll see what price has to offer us. That's a topic for another day. Once we get there, we'll see how on the daily chart we displaced below all these lows. Yeah, on top of that, this if you take your fib measure the previous day range, we are currently in the previous day range. You'll see that this CB that I marked on the hourly, it's it's a premium array. All this, all this is consolidation. When we went down, when we expanded lower, this became a breakaway gap. See how we failed to, we only like traded into it a bit, failed to go to CE. That's a characteristic of a breakaway gap. And yeah, we took out these relatively equal lows. Those those were my drawn liquidity. I don't know if I if I talked about that last. No, I didn't talk about it last video, but that's not very significant right now. And then I want to show you this previous day low. We swept that yesterday. And then on the hourly, changing state of delivery, fair value gap inside of the, I'm just reading price and then I tell you my expectations. Fair value gap inside of the hourly order block right there. Yeah. So see how the body stayed inside. You include the volume imbalances. See how the body stayed inside here. And then for us scalpers, see how this order block is in the lower half of the BC, 15-minute BC. That's a very discount bullish order block. We had news at 10 a.m. Normally after 10 a.m. news, uh price just continues off of the what form of liquidity was left on the table after New York closes. Yeah. So this 3 minute, this 3 minute CB, as in this 3 minute bullish order block, is in the lower half of the BC. That shows that it's extremely oversold. That means that it's extremely discount. See how reacted off of that. New York, London high got taken out. Next draw, hourly base, hourly CB. So yeah, that's just my expectation. No, 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 no. My I was just analyzing the previous move. My expectation is the CB is gonna take us lower. I wanna see price stay on the lower half of the CB, change in state of delivery, take out these lows. But for my best case scenario on NFP, uh honestly we might take out this low because we are trading into, it looks like we're gonna trade into the CB a bit early. If Asia fails to reach it, then London will. But I'm looking at the time right now. We have 2 more hours. Okay, yeah. If Asia fails to reach it, London will. And if London reaches it, then it's GG's. It's just gonna roll over. That's my expectation, and it's highly probable from my own personal experience. And yeah, that's just about it. We'll see. Uh, I wanted to let me just share a quick trade I took yesterday. I didn't take it on my funded challenge account. Let me just remove this. I didn't take it because it's a continuation trade. Like I said, I was looking for these relatively equal lows to be taken out. It was a continuation trade, and hourly CB. Just know that this is an hourly CB. And then let's go to the 3 minute. The CB formed after London, and then this was a loss. I took a loss here. I also took the trade on my funded trial account. There was a fair value gap, bullish one here on the I extended it from the left, changing state of delivery. And honestly, I don't know why I was longing in a very bearish market. But honestly, I learned a lot from that loss, and I am fixing that part. I am fixing that part because I'm very, very bad. I don't want to say very bad with continuation trades. Like I said before, I'm I'm a really just a turtle soup trader. So my mind is programmed to always look for turtles. But right now I'm trying to adjust to continuation trades. Right. So 3 minute 3 minute order block right there. I entered as we were leaving the order block because I was still a bit skeptical about it, but I was deciding on whether I should enter while it was in the order block, whether I should enter with my funded challenge account or not. And then I just ended up entering on paper trading because I'm not very confident, honestly, with continuation trades. We were very, 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 very premium, and I was trying to short in a premium. But there's a difference between a scalper. That's what makes the difference between a scalper and a day trader. Now that I'm thinking about it, scalpers can most probably sell in a discount market and buy in a, yeah, it's just trading small moves, in other words. So it was in line with the bias, in line with the narrative. So yeah, 15-minute, 3-minute change in state of delivery. My model, auto block, got that right there. The relatively equal lows made up for all these losses right here, all of them. And if I took it on my, where are they? The executions. If I took it, yeah, I made up for all these losses. If I took it on my funded trial account, no, it's not a trial. On my funded challenge account, I'm so used to saying funded trial. I was gonna still make up for all those losses and a couple bucks extra, like also here. But I don't wanna think about it that way. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. I'm just grateful that I learned something from this, and I'm gonna. I did journal it, and this is more. This is me journaling it more, and the fact that I'm even communicating my feelings towards what was happening here. It's also journaling, admitting that yes, I was scared, but I had no reason to be scared. Honestly, it was still gonna be following my trading plan, two trades a day. That's it. Minimum risk 0.5%. That's it. And yeah, that's just it. Let's wait for NFP. See what happens. Looks like Asia is going for that C for that CB right there.